How to create a new account on Instagram. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a new account on Instagram. First, go to your web browser and search for Instagram. Now open the first link from the search results. You can log into your account using your credentials. If you want to create a new account, click Sign Up. Next, enter the required information including your phone number or email address. Then create a strong password and username for your account. Make sure to agree to the terms and privacy policy. Once you're done, click Sign Up. After signing up, you will be directed to your account. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.